model, 67-plate Peugeot Boxer 2.0 BlueHDi 335L2H2130 needs engine repairs, starts, drives, no, VAT, Euro 6, bargain. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 228582. MOT, the 4th of March 2025. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect, still drives good and pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows, cruise control, 2 keys, parking sensors, air con, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740